Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So you have purposefully or accidentally deleted a friend on Snapchat and now you can't find them and you want to be able to find their profiles again. Today in this video I'll show you how can you find their profiles in two different ways. The first one if you remember their username and the second one if you don't. So follow up till the end and let's jump right into it. First head out to your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. Let's go ahead and search for Snapchat from there. And once we find it, we need to make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly and to make sure both of us are on the same page in this video, guys. So update your app and let's head out to Snapchat now. And once you open the app, of course, you have to be logged into your account. And then first, if you remember that person's username, you can easily tap on the search icon in the top right here, right next to your Bitmoji, and then just write their username right here and you can easily find them and add them back to your account. Now if you do not remember their username, you can go back right here and open your profile by tapping right here in the top left corner and then head out to settings by tapping the gear icon in the top right corner. Now from here we need to go ahead and scroll down all the way down to the bottom and you find this category named My Data. Go ahead and tap on it. Wait for the next screen to load up, it's gonna take some seconds. And from here, as you can see in these options, you find something that says friends right here in the user information. If you want to get back the list of all of the friends that you have ever had, including the ones you have deleted, go ahead and select every other option and leave the user information one selected from here. Once you select that and you do that, go ahead and tap on next in the bottom right corner. And then from here, make sure you have the email confirmed right there, then tap on Sendbit, and it will take 24 to 48 hours for them to contact you and they will give you a file to download. You can download it and find every single friend that you have ever had on Snapchat, including the ones you have deleted. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one.